Today, we're going to be talking to you about emergency kits.
Well, it was part of the other spot. So we have our baby brother who's still cranky. He is a cranky boy. He's gonna be the one.
Look, cheese. Cheese. All right, so today we're going to be talking about emergency kits for school. Do you want to go play? And go bye-bye?
My baby brother's a loud screamer, so it's kind of going to mess up the video. Just pretend you guys didn't hear that.
He's like, I'm out. Oh, God. Forget all of you. All right, so I feel that school emergency kits are important no matter... Emergency kits for school are important no matter the age of your child. These are things that you need to have that will help your child if they have some sort of an emergency. It's just something that would help your child feel more comfortable. So I have a pencil case, a soft pencil case here. You can also use a hard plastic case. So for our kinder through 5th grade age kids, I feel like it's important to have, I've got Cottonelle flushable wipes. They're kind of the adult version of wet wipes. You can flush them. They're just nice to help.
They will not break the toilet.
Right, they won't break the toilet. They're just nice to help your kids feel clean. So if they need to wipe their face, boogers, etc. All good things. Join the party? Yeah. Are you done being cranky? Yeah, join the party. Okay, so Band-Aids are a must. Kids are constantly getting hurt. These ones are the emoji kind, so they're just something fun for your kids if they get an owie. Another thing, sunscreen. Sunscreen's always important. This is a, ooh, bless you. Ooh, bless you again. This one, oh, third time. This one is a travel size, so it's not a large amount of sunscreen, but it's just enough in case your kid is starting to get a little bit red. The teacher can kind of help your child put it on.
Yeah, and then
Chapstick. This is important for both of my daughters and my son, who happen to be blessed. Hi! I make a video. Happen to be blessed in the lip department. They're constantly getting their lips busted open from being chappy or dry. So it is a hairbrush or a little toothbrush.
Or you can use
and extra hair ties. The next thing is their little underwears. Okay, you need extra underwear, huh? Because life happens. Sometimes your tummy's not feeling good. You have an accidental poopy duke. You don't make it to the bathroom in time. Things happen. So extra outfits and or extra undies are always a must. So it goes in this little case. It's nice. They can keep it either in their desk or in their backpack, but it's there.
Backpack. On the backpack loaded up with chains and knickknacks too. Anything that you might need, I got inside for you.
Or in their backpack, but it's there for them if they need it. And or 5th grade, because some kids start to turn into young adults early. So this. Okay. He's like, all right.
And for middle school, you always need to bring brushes when you go to school.
Such a trap.
Okay, so we'll
With
start.
toothpaste.
Okay, so we'll start with that. She wants you to always remember to brush your teeth, middle schoolers. Another thing that's good, toothpicks. If you have long hair, you can do a brush or a comb. Extra hair ties are always good. Band-aids are always good. You never know when you're gonna get hurt. Girls, please bring your own lotions. I got so many girls asking for lotion. Just bring some lotion. It's never a bad idea. And one of the most important things for middle school kids of any age or gender, deodorant.
Bye.
You gonna put it on? No.
All good. And then
Deodorant is important.
And then we have masks. Yep. Okay, I'm done. And we
Usually bring on their own, but just in case you forget, your phone charger, headphones, and right now I'm using like a clip for your hair to hold the headphones so that they don't get tangled, but there's multiple things, multiple ways you can do that so that it doesn't get tangled.
it just bounced right into.
Schoolgirls, even if you have not yet started your period, it is important, or even fifth grades, even from fifth grade and up, it's important for you to carry pads or liners and or tampons if you're going to use them. I would not recommend them when you're just getting yourself situated, but also don't forget an extra pair of underwear, boys and girls. You never know, just in case. Pads are important. You need them. You never know when things are going to change for you and you're going to be ushered into this new stage in your life. Good to have in your bag at middle school age is just some small bills of money. So we recently went to the Philippines. We currently don't have any small American bills on us right now. So I have 100 pesos and 20 pesos. So you could have money, whatever country denomination you use, in your emergency bag just in case you forget your lunch, you need some sort of a snack, you happen to stay after school for volleyball, basketball, football. Any kids that have lockers, magnets are a good idea for your locker. One, they're easier on cleanup than taping things inside your locker. And they look cute. They come in many different varieties, designs, colors. You can always paint on top of these and customize them. But this is easier on your locker than taping things inside your locker. It's a good way to remind yourself of different things, but that's always good. For me, when I was in middle school, I wore contacts. And I was kind of new to contacts, so I always wanted to have extras just in case one popped out, one ripped. And you want to carry the contact cleaning solution. Do not carry the eye drops for, reducing redness or that sort of thing. This is saline solution. It's safe for your eyes. If your eyes are dry, you can put that on your contacts. And it does the same thing, but it doesn't mess with the color of the white part of your eyes. And that's very clearly for contacts. If you bring eye drops, it sometimes gets associated as drug paraphernalia or things associated with drugs. So if you use contacts, it's safer for you to bring the contact solution instead of eye drops. And we talked about this earlier in our boy section of the video, or our boy video, but face masks, okay? We got these while we were in the Philippines, but you can get them online on eBay. And
Subscribe to
they're amazing, they're soft, they're fabric, you can wash them. Plus they make you look like a ninja, so who doesn't like looking like a ninja? It's good if you're sick and you've been coughing, you put yours on upside down. It helps you keep from spreading your germs, just like that. And so it's really nice. You can rewash them, use them over and over again. They feel better than the ones you get at the doctor's office that are paper. Another thing that is a must for high school and college is a flash drive. A flash drive. This one is a 32 gigabyte flash drive, but to carry a flash drive on you is important. You can save your assignments from computer class. You can turn in your assignments, all those things. It's super important to have this. Do not trust the computer system. Always back up your work. Save it in multiple places. Save it here. Email it to yourself. And then also email it to a friend or email it to another place where you know it's safe. So you have backups. There's that. And then chapstick always. And tweezers. These are important because, you know, sometimes your eyebrows get out of whack, or you get a splinter, or you have a stray hair that's not supposed to be there. Something along those lines. So this is always a good thing to have. Never a bad thing unless you're going through TSA, because this will set off the metal detector. Comment down below if you thought that we missed anything that should be in your emergency kits. Let us know if there's anything different that you would put in yours. Hopefully this was helpful for you. Like, share, and subscribe. And we will see you in the next one.
Goodbye.